This conference will now be recorded.
So any doubts on Laplace? So you understand what do you mean by substring and instring, right? Okay, fine. So Jaya, do you have any questions? Fine. If you don't have any questions, like, yeah, we'll see. Okay. So in the last class, we discussed about substring, right? Substring and instring. So why we use substring? Substring will be used to extract a particular portion of the string, right? Portion of the string. What do you mean by instring? It gives the position number of a particular character. Clear? Now, and I discussed about dual, right? What do you mean by dual? Why we use dual table? Anyone? Why we use dual table?
Get a single value.
Yes, to get a not a single value, or we can say is
Repetitions.
yes. Since dual table will have only one value and one column, so we'll get the unique result. Okay? The result will not be duplicated. Okay. So let's say if you want to do any kind of calculations, right? So so let's say if I want to make any kind of calculations, let's say 4 into 5 from dual. Okay. So I'll get 20. So you can perform all the calculations here. Okay. Plus. Okay. 4 minus 5. Okay. And 4 plus 5. Okay. So any kind of calculation we can perform. Let's say if you want to divide, let's say 4 by 2. So we get the 2. And select 5 by 2 from dual. So you'll get 2.5, right? So select mod of 5 comma 2 from dual. Mod of 5 comma 2. So what do you mean by mod? It gives you the remainder, right? See, 5 by 2 means remainder will be 1, right? So you are able to follow, right? Remainder. I think in mathematics you learned about reminders, right?
Yes.
Which means 2 is divided by 4. Okay, 5 will not be divided by the 2. So you get a So this is, in other words, what I can say, this is an even number. This is an odd number, right? See, if it is divided with 2, we'll get 0. Remainder is 0. If it is not divided with 2, we'll get the remainder as 1. That is an odd number. So you can perform all the calculations. Substring of, so this is the string. So substring of, so you need to give the starting position, right? So the starting position is 1, and let's say ending position is 4. I'll get the first name, comma. Clear? Now, tell me what is the separation character between the first name and the last name? Space, right? So space is the separation between the first name and last name, and the space is the separation between the last name and surname. Okay. So if I want to get the first name, so my requirement is to get the first name. So how to get the first name? See, you need to find out the space position. Okay. So what is the space position? 5, right?
5.
The space position is 5. So if I say select substring of, and what my starting position is 1 and the ending position is 5 minus 1. Okay. 5 minus 1 means 4, right? 5 minus 1, 4. 5 is, what is 5? 5 is the position of space, correct? 5 is the position of space. So if I run this, right, I'll get the first name. Okay. So how you got this value 5? How can you get this value 5?
By including space.
Sorry?
By including space.
Okay, I'll tell you. My requirement is to get the last name. So this is my last name, right? So what would be the starting character? 5, right? 5 plus 1, 6, right? 5 plus 1. So from 6th character to how many characters?
13.
Huh?
13 plus base.
Count the numbers. 7 characters, right? From 6th to 7 characters, I'll get the last name, correct? So how you are going to get the 7th character? 7.
8 minus 1.
7, right? Okay. That is fine, but see, from first position to second position, second space position. So what is the position of second space? What is the position number of second space?
8. 8.
Huh?
8.
8, sir. No. 8.
Yeah, 8. From K.
No, what is the position of second space?
13th.
13. Huh?
Yeah, 13.
Okay, 13. What is the position of first space?
5. 5th.
5. Fifth, right? Then we get space also, right? Okay. Yeah. See, I know 13th is the second space position. Okay. From 13th to, so if I say 13 minus 1, I'll get the, see, I'll get A, right? See, 13 is a space.
Yes.
Okay, 13 minus 1 means A position. Okay. A. Okay. This is A. So, what is the position of first space position? 5, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm trying to derive a formula here. Okay. So if I have to get the first name, so 5 plus 1 is my first position. Okay, 13 minus 1 is the 12th one. And what is this minus 5? First space position, right? Okay. 12 minus 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Okay. Control enter. Try to run this. See, ఈ ఫార్ములా మీకు అర్థమైంది. Correct. See, what is my starting position? 5 plus 1, 6, right? 6 means K. Okay. And how many like characters I need to choose? I need to choose 7 characters, right? Okay. I need to choose 7 characters. So what is the position of second space? 13, right? 13 minus 1, 12. Okay. So from 12, how many characters I need to remove? So ఇది మీకు అర్థం కాదు చెప్పండి, మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను ఈ ఫార్ములా.
It's clear, sir.
మీకు అర్థమైందండి ప్రియా? మీకు అర్థమైంది ఇది? ఈ ఫార్ములా అర్థమైందా మీకు?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
ఓకే, నాకు చెప్పండి, ఇది లాస్ట్ సర్నేమ్ కావాలంటే ఎలా రాయాలి ఫార్ములా? వాట్ వుడ్ బి మై స్టార్టింగ్ పొజిషన్?
14
13 plus 1, right?
plus 1.
13 plus 1. Okay, how many? Okay, what would be my ending position?
22.
Just count this. How many characters you need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, right? Total you need 9 characters, right? See, from K position you need 9 characters. Okay.
Yeah.
So here you need to put 9. Okay, run this. Okay, you got the required method, right? Correct. You got the required method, but you need to derive this 9. How you are going to derive this 9?
23 minus.
So before this, now tell me what is the total length of the string? What is the total length of the string? 22, right? 22. So out of 22, how many characters I need to remove? 22 minus 13, right?
Yeah.
Correct. 22 minus 13. So this becomes 9, right? Right. You got the result, right?
Yeah.
See, I'll tell you why we need to derive these formulas. I'll take one more example. Let me take this one. Let me take like okay, this is my first name, this is my last name, this is my surname. Okay. Now tell me the total number of, what is the length of the string? 20. Okay. So if I have to get the first name, so what I need to write? I need to use substring, right? I need to use this one. So starting from the first characters, how many characters I need? Let me change this. Starting from the first characters, how many characters I need? Just forget about the length. You need to concentrate on the space position. So what is the space position? 5, right?
5.
Okay. 5 minus 1, 4. I'll get the first name. Now, if I have to get the last name, so what I need to do, I need to find out the position of second space. Okay. Second space position is, okay. So what is the starting position? 6, right? 5 plus 1. And the second space position is
11.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11.
11. 11 minus 1. Okay. And minus 5. Okay. Yeah. Clear? See, for each and every name, right? So in a company, you may have like around 10,000 employees. So for 10,000 employees, you cannot write like 10,000 formulas, right? So
Yeah.
you won't write 10,000 formulas, right? You'll write only one formula so that it can be reusable for like any number of like values. So I just remove this. Fine. Now tell me how you're deriving this 5 by using int string, right? Int string, correct?
Yeah.
What is the syntax? Int string of, out of this string, you want to find out the position of space. Okay, within single quote, give space. Starting from the first position, first occurrence. Okay, first occurrence is 5, correct? We got 5. Now, similarly, starting from the first position, second occurrence, it would be 13. Fine. You need that, you know the total length. Okay, by using these 3 things, you can able to achieve, you can able to achieve a formula. So what instead of 5, I can write this logic, right? See, wherever there is a 5, I'll write this logic. 5, 5, 5. Wherever 13 is there, I will use this logic. 13. It's 13. Wherever 22 is there, I'll use this logic. 22. Try to run this. Bala. Krishna. Okay, the last one. Fine. By using these 3, let me tell you about alias name. What do you mean by alias? Alias name. Okay, so Balakrishna
Second.
alias Bala,
Second.
right? Ashraf Federate Ashu. Okay, so it's kind of a other name. Okay, so some people will say Venkateswara Bujji something, right? So that is an alias name. Similarly, for a table, you can give an alias name for table, column, and query. Okay, you can give an alias name to a table, to a column, or to a query. How to do that? Select star from EMP. So this query, you know, right? The same query can be written emp.star. Okay, and the same query can be written in another way also. Select, see, for EMP, E is a alias. Okay, I'll say e.star. See, for table EMP, E is a alias. I'll say E dot employee number, E dot E name, E dot salary. Okay, I'm taking 3 columns. So for E dot salary, right, I'm giving salary. See, you're just giving a alias name for this particular column. If you observe here, right, what it is showing? It is showing sal, right? See, EMP number, E name, sal. Okay, I'm giving a alias name here for sal. I'm giving a salary. Okay, this is just an alias name. Okay, employee number, I want to make it as employee number. Okay, I want to give like this. Okay, see, alias name is a combination of 2 words. You need to put that in a double quotes. Okay, can you see here, for this particular column you have given an alias name. Clear? See, you can use a keyword called as. Okay, see, as keyword is a optional. Okay, salary as, if you don't specify also, that is not an issue. This is just a keyword. As is optional. So employee number, I'm denoting, I'm giving alias name as employee number. అర్థమైందండి ఇది alias name అనేది. See, I'm just giving a meaningful message. Instead of employee EMP number, I'm giving a meaningful message to this particular column. For salary, I'm giving a meaningful message, meaningful name, salary.
Sir,
Yeah.
అక్కడ థర్డ్ లైన్ లో సెలెక్ట్ ఈ డాట్ స్టార్ అదేంటి సార్?
See, this is a way to write a select statement. See, if I say E dot star, E is my alias name. Okay, see, the same query can be written in 3 ways. Select star from EMP. They will get the result. Okay, no issue.
Okay.
This query can be written in another way also. EMP dot star. Okay, so this is my table name. In this table, I would like to pick all the columns. These are the different ways to write a query.
Query.
Since I have given alias name here E, I'm just denoting it as E dot star.
Okay.
Or else you can simply say, don't give the alias, EMP star. That's alias name అర్థమైందండి. Clear? Yes.
Yes, Bala.
Okay, see, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. So if I run this first one, right, what I'm getting?
I put coffee.
If I run the first query, what I'm getting? This is the first name, right? Yes. So but what is the label it is
Copy.
displaying? What is the column name it is displaying? It is displaying something like substring of, right? I'm going to give a meaningful message. First underscore name. Can you see the column name here? First name. Okay, for this one, I want to give a message as last name. Okay, for this one, I'd like to give surname. As keyword is option. Okay, as keyword is option. Clear, right? Now my requirement is, I want to display the, see, I'll give the employee number. See, this is my requirement. Select employee number. Okay, let me create a table. Create table, EMP underscore details, employee number, first name, last name, surname. Okay, So this is the table which will have the employee details, employee number, first name, last name, and surname. And I'll have one more table, EMP underscore, it's a DTLS. I'm just giving other name. Okay, here I'll have only employee name. Okay, but my requirement is, let me insert a record, insert into EMP underscore DTLS, employee number 7902, employee name, let me give this name. First record 7903. Let's say some different name. Okay, 7904. Okay, like some name. Okay, so just to differentiate between the first name, see first name here 4 characters, first name 5 characters, first name some 6 characters. Okay, now let me run this. Missing keyword. What is the missing keyword? Values, right? Values. This values keyword is missing. Right. Let me run this. So I inserted 3 records in my table. EMP underscore DTLS. Let me run this. The star is
Star.
yeah. So I know that this particular column will have the employee name, and I would like to extract first name, last name, and surname from this table. Okay. Now, I'll just tell you the logic. You know, right? This will have the first name, last name, and surname. What you need to do is, this is first name, right? First name, and you know that this is your second name, last name, and this is your surname, right? Surname. And run this. You're missing from
Last name.
Last name. That is fine. Spelling that doesn't matter. Okay, target statement. Fine. Okay, run this one. Okay, comma. Okay, see, first name, last name, and surname. So here I'm just selecting from dual. If I use employee table, right? Let me use employee table. I'm using employee underscore DTLS. I know the column is e name, right? E name. Okay. Okay. Enough. Sorry. Okay. So this is column, right? See, column we shouldn't include in a single quote, right? Only string we have to include in a single quote. Okay. Now run this. E name is not there. Huh? So let's start from the internal details. Employee number E. Okay. E name. See, the spelling is wrong, right? For this particular column, the spelling is wrong. And how to rename a column? Alter table, table name, rename column E-N-M-A-E to E-name. Okay, this is how you need to rename a particular column. Now select the details, changed, right? Let me run the above query. Can you see here? So you got the details, right? So how I have written this one? First name, last name. Clear? Let me take employee number also here, so that it will be, yeah, this for 7902, and let me take employee name also. Employee name. Okay. Employee number is this one, employee name is this one, first name, last name, surname. Clear? So you are having only 2 columns. Out of two columns, you are going to derive another 3 columns with the help of employee name. Clear? అర్థమవుతుంది అందరికి? Yes. ఇంకొక సింపుల్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఇస్తాను. నా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటంటే employee number equal to 7902. So if I run this query, right, I'm getting the employee number, employee name, first name, last name. So my requirement is employee full name is colon రావాలి, స్లాష్ రావాలి, ఇది కనిపించాలి. ఓకే, ఎంప్లాయీ ఫస్ట్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ ఇది చూపించాలి. ఎంప్లాయీ లాస్ట్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ this one. Okay, employee surname is this one. So based on the employee number which you pass, it has to display, it has to give a output like this. So how to write a block for this? How to write a block? What is the block structure syntax? Declare, begin, end. Okay, this is the block structure. You know exception also, right? Correct? Exception. Clear? Now, for this particular requirement, this is my select statement. Okay, how many variables I need to declare? How many variables I have to declare? One, two, three, four, 5. I need to declare 5 variables. మీకు చెప్పాను కదండి, సెలెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది PLSQ లో, into variables, right? How many columns you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since you have 5 columns, you need to have 5 variables. Employee number, employee name, V first name, V last name, V surname. So you need to declare these variables. Okay, employee number, number, employee name, employee first name. Okay, employee last name, employee surname. Okay, so I just define all the variables and I'm going to print. What is my requirement? These are all my requirements, right? So how to achieve this one? dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. Employee full name is, this is also string, right? Full name is, what is full name? VE name, right? Yes. Concatenate with VE name. Close. Employee first name is, where is first name? V first name, right? Employee last name, V last name, right? Employee surname, this is surname. Okay, run this one. What it is saying? Okay, sorry, exception, right? Exception when no underscore data underscore found, then the given employee number does not exist in the table. It's saying PLSQL procedure successfully completed. But tell me why the result is not displaying, why the output is not displaying?
It's server.
Set server output on, right?
Yes.
Set server output on. Set server output on. Run this one. Now run this one. Employee full name, employee first name, last name, surname. Clear? What if I pass, let's say, double eight? That will pass double eight. Now what will happen in this case? What is the message that you're going to get? The given employee number does not exist in the table. Okay. If you don't specify exception section, let's say you don't have these three things. Okay. Now run this one. What is the error message that you're going to get? You're going to get no data found. So since you got an error, you're going to catch that and you're going to give a meaningful message by using a exception block. Clear? That is the advantage of exception block. Okay. Now this is more meaningful, right? So whatever the error that you got for that, you're catching that error and you're giving a meaningful message. Clear? చెప్పండి, డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? ఇది మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే, అంటే మీరు జస్ట్ మీరు లాజిక్ తెలుసుకోవాలన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ ఇన్స్ట్రింగ్, సబ్స్ట్రింగ్, లెంత్ ఫంక్షన్, ఈ 3 యూస్ చేసుకొని మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. నాకు లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ నోట్స్ ఒకసారి పంపిస్తారా? ఒకసారి అది నోట్స్ జీమెయిల్లో మీరు ఇక్కడ అపెండ్ చేసుకోండి. అంటే ఈ క్లాస్ నోట్స్ మీరు అపెండ్ చేసుకోండి దాన్ని. సో లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఈ క్లాస్ అటాచ్ చేసుకోండి కదా.
సార్ ఇంతకు ముందు ఎంప్లాయీ డాట్ స్టార్ చెప్పారు కదా, ఇన్ కేస్ ఎంప్లాయీ 1 ఎంప్లాయీ 2 ఉంటే
ఎక్కడండి చెప్పింది?
సెలెక్ట్ ఈ డాట్ స్టార్ చెప్పారు కదా,
రైట్.
ఇన్ కేస్ ఎంప్లాయీ అయ్యా ఎంప్లాయీ 1 ఎంప్లాయీ 2 ఉంటే టేబుల్లో
ఎంప్లాయీ 1 ఎంప్లాయీ 2 నా
టేబుల్స్ ఎంప్లాయీ 1 ఎంప్లాయీ 2 ఉంటే టేబుల్స్
మీ ఇష్టం అండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా డిఈపిటి ఉంది కదా,
ఓకే
డిఈపిటి కూడా ఇది మీ ఇష్టం.
ఓకే
అలియాస్ నేమ్ యూ కెన్ గివ్ ఎనీథింగ్ హియర్. You can give like y, whatever you want, you can give. That's up to you. But that should be meaningful. See, for DEPT, right? If you say D, right, this is more meaningful. Okay. You can give any name. That is not. That doesn't matter.
Okay.
Fine. Okay, fine. I'm stopping the session for today. So, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. అంటే ఇది మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే మీకు నేను ఇంకొంచెం అడ్వాన్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్తాను అనమాట. సో మీకు పిఎల్ఎస్ స్కిల్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చూసారు? పిఎల్ఎస్ స్కిల్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ యు ఆర్ జస్ట్ యూటిలైజింగ్ ది SQL commands. Whatever you have learned in SQL, you're just combining them to get a like, I mean to say that as per the business requirement, you're going to combine the SQL with the different commands and you're displaying a meaningful output to the end user. That is what PLSQL, programming language using SQL. Clear అండి? సో క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమంటే చెప్పండి, నేను క్లియర్ చేస్తాను. తేజ ఉన్నారా లేదా? తేజ fine. If you don't have any questions, like practice this one. I'm sending you the class notes. Just a second. So this is the main ID, right? GR14 SQL, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Can you please share it to other people? Yeah. Jane and me పంపించాను, మీరు అందరికి షేర్ చేయండి గ్రూప్ లో.
Okay, sir.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. విల్ మీట్ టుమారో. మీకు వచ్చినాయండి మొత్తం అన్ని క్లాస్ టాపిక్ వైజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ వచ్చాయా?
వచ్చాయి సార్, పంపించేసాను.
అది చూసారు ఎవరైనా చూసారండి అది? అంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం డిస్కస్ చేసిన టాపిక్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, సో మీకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూపిస్తాను ఒకటి. సో మనం DDL DML నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. సో DDL DML ఓపెన్ చేస్తే జస్ట్ కాపింగ్ దిస్ టు a notepad. You go to SQL and change the format so that you can able to see the keywords highlighted. Okay, so I created a table, department table, student table. DML, data manipulation language. We have insert, update, delete. Insert, why we use insert? Insert is to add new rows to the existing table, and I have given a couple of examples. So what do you mean by null? So we discussed, right, null keyword and different operators. So anyways, we discussed only or, right? And we know and also, right? We know in, we'll discuss these things. Okay, you know where clause, right? Where clause.
Yeah.
And update, delete. See, this is the update statement and this is a delete statement. Okay. And, yes, data querying language. Querying language is nothing but a select statement. Okay,
Okay.
And yeah, see, so whatever you have learned, you can like get the detailed notes later.
Oh,
Yeah, fine. Yeah, we'll meet tomorrow.
Oh.
ప్రాక్టీస్ కంప్లీట్ చేయండి, పెండింగ్ ఉంటే కంప్లీట్ చేసేయండి. సో ఎందుకంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఒక 2-3 క్లాసెస్ తర్వాత కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. సో మీరు
Okay.
ఇవన్నీ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోగలరు, లేదంటే మీరు ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది అండర్స్టాండింగ్. ఓకే, ఫైన్.
Okay.
టుమారో.